SONALI PHOGAT case असले किती आहेत हिअरिंग झाले किती matter?
See, so in SONALI PHOGAT case, accused number 2 has filed bail application, praying for his release on bail. That bail application was fixed today for arguments, and that matter could not be argued today because they did not give us copy of the reply opposing the bail in advance, the CBI. So we said we can't, we have to read the reply and then argue. So the court said, all right, you can file the reply, rejoinder if necessary, and matter is fixed for arguments on 20th January at 2:30. In the meantime, the complainant, that is the brother of the deceased, is the brother, no? Yeah. Brother of the deceased has filed an intervention application. Possibly he wants to object to the grant of bail. So in view of the settled law, we have given no objection for this intervention. So the court has passed an order allowing him to intervene.
तुमच्या आता काही
We have given tender no objection.